Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're going to be doing a back to school hair look. I did my back to school makeup and this is the back to school hair, and I just threw on this Perfect Edge Perfection in a Sec human hairstyle mix, and this is from the Brown Sugar collection. This I got this from the company a while back, and I wore it you know, clipped to my hair, and clipped to my hair didn't really quite mesh because my edges are a little thin, but my edges are growing back and getting thicker, so I felt comfortable enough to put it in a ponytail, and I wanted to try it that way, and so I wanted to show you guys how it looks. So this is a really quick and easy back to school look. You guys let me know what you think below. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for your support. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. For today we're going to be going in with the Perfect Edge. I have actually done a video on this before, but I never put it up in a ponytail. So now that I have my hair out, I'm going to go ahead and use it as a ponytail to show you a different way to be able to wear it. So let's see. On the card it shows her wearing it up in a ponytail, and it shows her wearing it with her natural hair. So we're gonna see how this works out. Never done it before with this ponytail. Now this one, they have a full size of this wig, but I got this one and I thought this one was the full size. So for me, I wasn't really feeling it for myself because my hair, my edges are thin, but I'm just like, whatever. Now at this point, I like to wear a ponytail. My edges are just thin, they're growing back, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this ponytail with this. In the inside, combs going all the way around. So what I'm going to do is put it over my little bun and just put the combs in and see how this comes out. I'm going to go ahead and see what I can do with it, you know? So let's see here. I have my little bun. I'm putting the comb in at the front. It's like a big comb. And there's combs around the sides. I'm putting those combs in now. Okay. And then alright beauty, so let me know what you guys think about this quick back to school hairdo using the Perfect Edge as a ponytail. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. Have a wonderful day, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.